My name is Christian Brender. I'm the Chief Scientific Officer at AELIX Therapeutics here in Barcelona. We are dedicated to the development of a therapeutic HIV vaccine. I'm also an ICREA research professor at an academic institution near Sicasha here in Barcelona, and I think that combination was critical for the recent success we have seen with our clinical program at AELIX Therapeutics. Yeah, we shared what we could. We have a recent publication under embargo at Nature Medicine, so we could show what we had presented in the past, which were the efficacy data of our AELIX Therapeutics 002 clinical trial, which was a safety and efficacy trial, double-blind, placebo-controlled, in individuals that were identified with their HIV infection shortly after infection and immediately treated. So we refer these people early treated individuals, which we think have maintained their immune responses sufficiently well to respond well to a vaccination and give us a shot at seeing an efficacy signal. Well, we conducted AELIX 002 and 003 both here in Barcelona and across Spain at the height of the COVID outbreak in Spain. And I'm happy to say that we didn't lose a single participant in either study, but we had to put in a lot of corrective measures, home visits, evidently sending nurses and samples across towns, provide vaccination as soon as we could for our participations, and other measures. And luckily enough, yeah, it was certainly had a severe impact in the day-to-day operations. But as I said, yeah, we were lucky enough to pull it through, actually. A T-cell vaccine for HIV infection, a therapeutic vaccine, we see it that it may need to have a combination approach. And that means we need to test one T-cell vaccine in combination with other components that we think can complement our T-cell vaccine. And that evidently would require large cohorts, large trials, multiple participants across different arms. And we are at that, but I think at this stage we have at least massively de-risked our T-cell immunogen platform so that we can go confidently into combination trials and not thinking much more on refining the T-cell component. And so that's what we are currently doing. We're combining our T-cell immunogen with neutralizing antibodies, envelope vaccination, and immunomodulators like TLR7, for instance, which are in trial at this moment. Well, as it's located in Barcelona, it's close to home. I really truly enjoy that, to sleep in my own bed after a day of exciting talks. I think it's always a fantastic organization around the meeting, and it facilitates tremendously the contacts and the matchmaking here. So this is really a great place for me to go, especially if it's so close by.